Hello, it's me. You're probably wondering what I'm doing. Well, today I'm going to be making the game of Nim in Python. The game of Nim was a game that was originally invented in China, but was placed onto this computer, which I guess you could say is the first computer built for gaming. It's where there's a series of counters and there's two or more players. In this example there is two, but they each take turns taking a couple of counters from the pile, and the person who gets to 0 loses. It's sort of like the game 21 if you've ever played, where somebody goes 1 and then the other person will go 4 and then 5 all the way up to 21, and the person who says 21 loses. So yes, I'm going to be coding that in Python. So I've just started writing the code for the game here, and already we've got two simple questions that just ask to for the player to input their name into here. So obviously this is a 2-player game, so I'm only making it for 2 players. So player 1 will go in here and player 2 will go in there. Then obviously, as we have the total going up, we will have to set it to 0 for a new game. So if you play this more than once, you won't start and it be on like 22 or something. It would be not very fun to play, so we have to have that line in there. Okay, just written the code for player 1's turn. So whilst it is their turn, ooh, that's not right. Whilst it is their turn and the score is under 22, then they will have to do this. So it will ask if the turn is true, and whilst it is true, it'll ask to have a number between 1 and 3, and then they'll obviously have to type in 1 and 3, and then here it'll add their answer onto the total. So that'll work out quite nicely, and then here it will print the total so that all of the players can see what the new total is, and then it will set player 1 turn to false, and you'll see why in a second, because it will set player 1's turn to false, so this statement won't be true anymore, and it will go to the else statement down here, and that will ask player 2 for a number between 1 and 3, then it will add the total and the answer, and then it will print the total and set the turn to true. So this is true again, it will do this, and this, and this, and this, and this, all the way up until when the total is over 22. And then whilst this is true, that will go back and forth, and when it is over 22, it will do this bit down here, and it will just print who wins and who doesn't win. So yeah, that's pretty much all the code for this game. Fairly simple stuff really, not much doing, but if you do want to see some more of this coding, then you can wait around for a bit, because I'm currently coding my own game called Trials over here, just a sneak peek there, lots of very interesting stuff up there, but I think quite soon I will have a video coming out on coding rock, paper, scissors in Python as well, so that will be interesting. Stay tuned for that, and now we'll go on to the run through of this and see if I've made any other mistakes apart from this one there. Okay, that's good. Good sign it started. So I'm going to put my name as there we go, and then player 2 will be perfect. Okay, not perfect. Okay, so it turns out in in line 19, I write player 1 true instead of 21 turn. So, yeah, let me run this again. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh! What's happened there? That's interesting. Something interesting. It's not a bug in the code saying something's wrong, but something is wrong because that's not meant to happen. Hang on, give me a second to figure this out. It's here again. That's the wrong symbol. That's the second time that symbol's been the problem. First time I actually got the right key here, but I didn't hold the shift button when I was doing it, so it came out as a comma. And the second time I did hold the shift, but I did this, and now I fixed it, so it's this. So whilst it is under 22, it will do this, which is what I want. Alright then, third time's the charm. Yes, okay, this seems to be working, so I'm gonna go 3, these is gonna go 2, I'm gonna go 1, 2, yeah, everything seems to be working pretty good. And then here, like that, and then strange me, oh no. Whatever he does now, he has not. Okay, so it turns out this is correct. I should have won because here it says that D's has done 21, so he loses. It's just because of the way I've written the code that it overrides onto here. Okay, so I've just been playing around with it a bit, and I've changed up here this to 21, so it'll stop when it gets to 21, which does mean I've had to switch these two names around here. And I think this should work. So if I go perfect, and quickly speed through this, I'm going to go 2, so now it's on 20, and Joe Mama, whatever he says, so if he goes 3, not that he can, because whatever he does now, he is going to do 21, so I win, so that has been a success. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Stick around, as I said, I'm going to do rock, paper, scissors fairly soon, and also I have my other game, The Trials, coming out as well, so, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon, hopefully. Don't forget to smash the like button if you enjoyed, and maybe even subscribe if you're excited for rock, paper, scissors, or The Trials. So, I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.